Hello there, I'm Saem. So let's have a look at the P3 that you have tomorrow. So we'll look at the most important points that you have to take care of while appearing for paper three to get an A star or even for a distinction. So first of all, the key practices would be obviously it's common sense, and but this common sense is ignored by many students. Please read the instructions carefully. At times we somehow ignore the scenario, especially in italic. Read it very carefully. Some key points are there in that one paragraph that you have for spreadsheets. Just read it. There might be an answer over there. Include candidate details, obviously. Make sure your every printout has it. Do not write with the pen. Do not. It will not be considered. Ensure text formulas and mark fully visible. Yes, once you get the printout, make sure that in your printout every formula is visible. It's not being cut. So I've told you before how to do it. You have to click on the extreme left corner of the spreadsheet and double click between the columns to automatically adjust all the formulas. The formulas have to be in portrait. The formulas have to be in landscape. The values have to be in portrait. So always print your formulas in landscape and make sure it's visible. Avoid any errors that you have typographical errors. Okay, punctuations, obviously avoid that. When you take a screenshot of the web browser, make sure that the address bars are not cropped. They should also be visible because the browser means the address bar has to be visible. For file management, obviously make sure that your files, all the files in one particular folder. Do not put some files in one folder and some files in the folder. All the files happen to be in one folder. It should be in one folder. And when you take a screenshot, make sure folder names and dimensions are visible as per the requirement. Okay. Watch for case sensitivity in the folder names. You might be given some files that have quite the same name. Maybe just one or two alphabets might be in capital. Okay, and the extensions are different. So be very particular. The examiner might give you some extra file that probably you might not even use. So be careful about that. Save your Excel file in XLS workbook, not in CSV. Very, very important. Something that do not forget. In case if you have to save your file in Excel workbook. Okay. So I would recommend save your file initially in Excel workbook. Okay. Correct use of head and body tags. Make sure that if you have a title named as untitled, you can title it specifically whatever you want to give the title. Use video and source tags correctly. Okay. Attach the external style sheet. Avoid local paths. Apply classes correctly. If you get a question of classes, obviously apply them as per the requirement. Ensure table width borders match requirements. Okay. In case if your picture, your photo is obviously um, too big, you can use the style command to basically make sure that the image, the photo fits the cell of the table. Okay. Remember how to use the mail to command and the subject. Okay. You shouldn't cram it. The target is blank and all the meta tags that you have. I repeat, all the meta tags that you have. Okay. Uh, you can go to my YouTube channel and you can watch the meta tags lecture over there. Okay, so you should know that. Appropriate functions, obviously, try to use the most appropriate function that is required. Obviously, it's common sense. Use proper name ranges if required. Use exact formatting instructions that are required. Okay, wrapping and all that. When you are creating your evidence and printing, okay, make sure I've told you this before that your formulas have to be in landscape. Make sure you make everything visible. Do not include row and column headings unless specified. Very, very important. So you don't have to do anything extra. So, right, final reminder, pay attentions in detail, follow your instructions precisely. Okay, avoid any typographical errors. And obviously, make sure your presentation and visibility are just as important. What means is actually when you are pres presenting something as evidence, make sure everything is visible. One very important thing that I would like to say is that make sure that if you somehow have to take a screenshot of the HTML code, okay, make sure you don't have a dark background. You can go into preferences and you can change the interface into lighter white. Please don't use dark. The dark printout will not be visible. Somehow it will irritate the examiner. So you have to facilitate the examiner. If you finish your paper on time, keep on rechecking. Check it again and again. Okay, there is no point of wasting your time and start playing um, chess or any other desktop game that you have. Okay, no one would remember in the future that you have been so smart while that you are playing games. Okay, so no need to show off, but make sure you use each and every second, and so that you do really well. Wish you all the best for tomorrow and all the exams. Inshallah, you'll all do very, very well. Best wishes from Sir Saem. Okay.